Hampton County in eastern Pennsylvania until 4 p.m. At 3:20 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Arrowhead Lake to Ledgerdale to near Narrowsburg, moving southeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Wind damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Mount Pocono, East Stroudsburg, Tobiana, Blairstown, Bangor, Penn Argyll, Wind Gap, East Bangor, Stormville, Wary Lake, Pocono Pines, Millbrook, Lake Harmony, Skitaw, Tannersville, Long Pond, Christeville, Sunshine Valley, Reeders, and Saylorsburg. People attending races at Pocono Raceway should seek safe shelter immediately. This includes the following highways: northeast extension between mile markers 85 and 97. Interstate 80 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 280 and 314. Interstate 80 in New Jersey between mile markers 0 and 10. Interstate 380 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 0 and 13. Protecting yourself from immediate threats to life and safety shall take priority. Whenever possible, as long as it does not cause greater harm, all COVID-19 protective action guidance should be followed. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. In addition to large hail and damaging winds, frequent cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with these storms. Move indoors immediately. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued